Hello, we are from Riverside Primary School in Tadcaster. We are members of the school's eco group, which we joined in September last year. We are a big school of 450 children. We were asked if we want to be part of the MELT project. We calculated the school's carbon footprint and researched why it's important for our planet.
We discovered that our gas and electric readings were high, so we introduced light monitors in all the classrooms. This has reduced our electric use compared to the same month last year.
Student and staff mileage to school is high, but we are a rural school. We are running a Walk on Wednesday campaign at the moment to encourage more people to walk at least a little of the way.
Our water use was also very high, but by reading the meters and comparing to last year, it was discovered we had a major water leak which has since been repaired. We collect rainwater in water butts to use in our vegetable garden. We also have had Yorkshire Water working with us on their Soak It Up campaign. This is to soak up water rather than send it into the drain and then the River Wharfe.
We decided that the topic we could make the biggest difference with was waste. We discovered plastic, crisp packets and pens in our paper recycling boxes, which increases the weight of our waste.
We went on a litter pick around our school grounds and along the fields which surround the school. We picked up 9 kilograms of litter. In this we discovered over 80 crisp packets. We also surveyed our school and found that 380 crisp packets were brought in pack-ups in 1 week by year's reception to year 4.
One of the things we decided we could do was to make eco-bricks. These would be a way of reusing plastic that could not be recycled and stopping it being sent to landfill. We had an assembly this term where we have challenged children in our school to make a brick. In this way we are telling the whole school about plastic waste.
This is how to make one. You will need a 2-litre bottle with a lid and a stick. What you'll need to do: collect, clean and dry plastic waste. Make sure your bottle is dry, you don't want any mould to go. And push the waste down into the bottle with the stick. When you can't get any more plastic in the bottle, put the lid on. Use bricks for building. Items that could go into an eco-brick: sweet wrappers, cling film, plastic bags, photos, crisp wrappers, polystyrene, bubble wrap and plastic packaging. TerraCycle. We have joined TerraCycle and started 2 of their campaigns. We have a box in the dinner hall where children can put their crisp packets in. TerraCycle have so far 381,838 crisp packets so far. They are made into slides, frisbees, water cans, plant pots and other useful things. We also have a box to collect writing instruments which have dried up or run out. These are also sorted and made into other useful items. You can imagine the amount of felt tips we use in our school. This means that pens and crisp packets from our school are no longer sent to landfill or burnt.
Our weight of paper recycling has reduced from 36.2 kilograms in May 2018 to 20.5 kilograms in May 2019. This is because we now only have paper or card in our recycling boxes.
Thank you very much for asking us to be part of the MELT project. We have learned a lot. Also thank you for helping us make the eco-bricks this afternoon.
So, questions for our 2 primaries? There's another group here. So, I think I'd like to ask our first school, Riverside, what was the most challenging thing about doing your project? What did you find quite tough? Or was it all dead easy and everyone was quite happy to stop using things? Yep.
Trying to find a simple way of reusing old litter that couldn't be recycled. It was trying to find a way instead of just throwing it all into landfill, it not going away and not being recycled properly.
So you actually had to be quite creative about trying to come up with some of these answers.